Hi, this is Tutor and this is lesson 107. Today we're going to look at the difference between healthy and healthful. Usually it's when healthful comes up, because healthy is a lot more common. We hear healthy all the time. So it's usually when healthful comes up in an article, students will ask, well, what's the difference between healthful and healthy? All right, so again, let's look at the definitions first. Healthy, someone who is healthy, is in good physical shape, and is not sick at all. We could use, I give it a second meaning here because we could use it in a general sense. Doing well, in a general sense, you can also say something is healthy or somebody is healthy. All right, let's take a look at healthful. Something that will help produce or lead to good health. All right, so healthful is more limited. It has to be just something that can help produce it or lead to good health. All right, let's look at this note because this is an important note. The use of healthful is more formal and more literary. So not only is it formal, literary, remember when we say something is literary, we mean that we mostly see it in writing. This is a lot more common in writing than it is in regular day-to-day speech. I don't hear healthful in day-to-day speech much at all. It's mostly healthy, healthy, healthy. Okay, so, all right, let's look at some examples. We'll look at the ones for healthful first, because, that's the one that's less used, so we'll concentrate on that first. Junk food, sweets, and colas, colas meaning like Coca-Cola, Pepsi-Cola, like that sort of colas, are not very healthful. You could say that in an article. Exercising on a regular basis is a healthful activity, all right? Again, if it was formal and in writing, you could say these. All right, let's look at 3 and 4. I think 3 and 4 are ones where you probably would only use healthy and not use um, healthful. So Bruce looks healthy now after recovering from his illness. Yeah, you wouldn't say he looks healthful. Healthful isn't producing health or leading to good health. It's just the appearance. So in this case, you would probably only use healthy and not healthful. Let's look at the second one. That country has a healthy economy. This goes more to the second meaning, doing well in a general sense. This is one where you cannot use healthful, though. You can't say that country has a healthful economy. That will be wrong. That's just weird. That will never be used. All right, we can look at the fifth one. I think the fifth one could go back to, either one being used here. Eating lots of fruit and vegetables are part of a healthy diet. You could have said healthful here too, because it's leading to health. But again, this is another important note. Today, healthy can be used in most cases that healthful can be used. Yeah, I think there used to be a more of a difference, a long, long time ago, maybe over 100 years ago, where there was a clear difference where healthful was mostly using for producing health, and healthy was more like appearance or health in general. But nowadays, it's kind of overtaken the use that healthy has just dominated. And so, if we look back at the first examples again, you could actually use healthy here, and it would seem quite normal. Junk food, sweets, and colas are not very healthy. Yeah, it's you could use healthy in almost all cases where you're using healthful. Exercising on a regular basis is a healthy activity. I could hear that. Uh, so, so healthful is the one that's more limited. It's more formal, and yes, basically, it's more formal. It's more literary. So, in more well-written articles or more technical articles, you're more likely to hear healthful. So, and again, that is our last note again. Healthful is more formal and an older term. So, yeah, like I said, a long time ago, there might have been more of a difference. But I was doing research on it. I was looking what a lot of people were saying. Here, there was some slight difference, but many of them did say this sort of note. In this case, healthy can be used in most cases of healthful. So, if you want to play it safe, you could probably just go with healthy. But if you're writing an article where you're using the word healthy a lot, and if it's suitable, you might be able to switch it off to healthful. Okay, I hope that clarifies it. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.